What was most exciting for us in the chance to design Carrier Library fresh, to expand it, to renovate it, was to really make real that notion of an intellectual crossroads, make it a physical crossroads for our campus as well. So a lot of care has gone into the design of the new building to encourage that flow of people and ideas. The building was added onto in the 60s, again in the 80s and the 90s, and a lot of those prior expansions obscured some of the nicer historic features of the building. Carrier is beloved by our alumni, our faculty care a great deal, and our students love that historic feel of the 1930s portion of the building. Undertaking this process of renovation, we've uncovered features of Carrier Library that have been hidden for years and years. The building for us really is a case statement about the connection of the oldest media and ways of transmitting knowledge to the newest ways of creating and producing new knowledge. People, ideas, disciplines, fields, past and future come together in libraries in really exciting ways. Students love to be in spaces that inspire them to focus on their work, and there's a little something for everybody in the library, so they really are the places that students want to be.